In an era defined by rapid technological advancements, autonomous driving technology stands out as a transformative force in the automotive industry. As self-driving cars shift from science fiction to reality, they promise to revolutionize the way we think about transportation, road safety, and urban planning. AI at the wheel, technological breakthroughs in autonomous driving. The backbone of autonomous vehicles (AVs) is advanced AI systems capable of real-time decision-making. In 2024, significant progress has been made in this domain, with AI algorithms now able to process vast amounts of data from sensors and cameras to mimic human-like driving decisions. Companies like Tesla, Waymo, and a host of emerging startups are continually refining these systems, aiming for higher levels of autonomy. Recent breakthroughs include enhanced object detection and response algorithms, improved weather adaptability, and the integration of machine learning techniques that allow vehicles to learn and improve over time. These advancements are crucial in navigating complex urban environments and varied driving conditions. Regulatory roadmap, setting the framework for AVs. As the technology matures, regulatory frameworks are evolving to keep pace. Governments worldwide are grappling with the need to establish comprehensive guidelines that ensure the safe integration of AVs on public roads. This includes setting standards for vehicle testing, data privacy, cybersecurity, and liability in the event of accidents. In the United States, the Department of Transportation is setting the framework for AVs and updating its policies to facilitate the safe development of autonomous vehicles. Similar efforts are underway in the European Union, Japan, and China, highlighting a global commitment to shaping the future of transportation. Safety first, impact on road safety and traffic efficiency. One of the most anticipated benefits of AVs is the potential to significantly reduce road accidents, most of which are currently caused by human error. Autonomous vehicles, with their precision and consistency, could lead to safer roads. Early studies and trials have shown promising results, with AVs demonstrating an ability to adhere to traffic laws, maintain safe distances, and react quickly to avoid hazards. Moreover, the widespread adoption of AVs could lead to more efficient traffic management. With vehicles communicating with each other and with traffic systems, cities could see a reduction in traffic congestion, lower emission levels, and more optimized urban planning. Challenges ahead, public trust and technological hurdles. Despite the advancements, the road to fully autonomous driving is still lined with challenges. Public trust remains a significant hurdle, with many expressing concerns over the safety and reliability of self-driving vehicles. High-profile accidents involving AVs have also contributed to public skepticism. To address this, manufacturers and policymakers are emphasizing transparency, rigorous testing, and gradual integration of autonomous features into mainstream vehicles. Technologically, challenges include refining AI algorithms to handle unpredictable human behavior, ensuring robust performance under diverse environmental conditions, and developing fail-safe mechanisms in case of system failures. Additionally, the need for substantial infrastructure upgrades, such as smart traffic systems and dedicated lanes, poses logistical and financial challenges for many cities. Steering towards a driverless future. The journey towards a fully autonomous future is complex and multifaceted. While significant strides have been made in AI and regulatory frameworks, the path forward requires a collaborative effort from manufacturers, governments, and the public. The potential benefits of autonomous driving technology in enhancing road safety, reducing traffic congestion, and reshaping urban landscapes are immense. However, achieving these benefits hinges on overcoming technological challenges and building public trust. As we move into 2024 and beyond, autonomous driving technology continues to be a dynamic and evolving field, promising to redefine our relationship with transportation. It's a journey that requires careful navigation, but the destination, a safer, more efficient, and connected world of transportation, is well worth the effort.